Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. And this is the next video of the process where we have talked about drawing the eyes, nose and lips. You can check out my channel. If you are new, you will find the process. So this video is about shading the face and we will start with the process. At first, I will take an HB pencil by holding it from the end as far as possible and lying down and shade it as smooth as possible and blend it by using a soft tissue paper. You can also use a soft brush. I'm using a 2B pencil for the darker areas and the same tissue paper to blend it. So this time I'm using an HB pencil for the areas where we will be darkening by using a 2B pencil because JK's face has dimples over the cheeks and near the lips. So in order to preserve the features of the face, we will be using a 2B pencil. At first, on the left side, I will form the base by using an HB pencil and darken the area where the shades have lost their values. I will use a 2B pencil for the dimples and hold it lightly, and then I will blend the both shades by using a tissue paper. We will use the HB pencil to form the shades below the nose and also to form the base on the other side too. We will continue the same process on the other side of the face. We will use an HB pencil to form the base and then a 2B pencil to draw and shade the dimples. And then we will blend it by using a soft tissue paper. Near the cheekbones and also the jawline, the shadow is falling, so I am using a 2B pencil on the areas where the shadows fall and will darken it. And also at the outlining of the face, we have to differentiate the face and the shadows, so we will use a sharper tip to draw a straight and sharp line. Below the lips, we will see the shadow is falling, so we will use a 2B pencil to shade this area and also near the cheek and near the chin. We will keep on using a tissue paper to blend the all tones and make them smudge in between each other. Now I'm using a 2B pencil again to preserve the shades and draw the shadows. We will draw a straight sharp line near the cheek and near the jawbone and blend it by using a blending stump. This is the area where we will see the shadows and darker tones. In order to preserve these tones, we will use a blending stump, and at last I am finishing it by using a mechanical pencil. You can also use a 4B pencil to draw this, but I recommend you to use a mechanical pencil. And I will keep on blending it by using a tissue paper and erasing at the areas where I want to highlight them. Make sure that you do not press any object very hard towards the paper. You have to hold the materials very softly. This area is the darker, so I'm using a blending stump. And once again I will blend the whole part by using a tissue paper. Now we will talk about the neck part. After blending it 5 or 4 times, we will move towards the neck part where the shadow of the face is forming. So we will be drawing a darker tone below the face. I'm drawing this area in a triangular shape to show that this is the place where we will be using a 2B pencil. Before doing so, we will form the base by using an HB pencil. It is always recommended to use an HB pencil to form the base and blend it by using a tissue paper. I'm using a 2B pencil now to show the shadows which are falling below the face on the neck. I will hold and form the base with 2B very lightly for the first time, and the neck bones in the curved shapes. I will blend this layer and once again form the other layer, because when we blend by using a tissue paper, the tones get lightened up by one shade. I will blend the darker areas by using a 2B pencil once again, so that we can preserve the darker tones where the shadows are falling. Make sure here that you do not hurry up while the process, because you won't get the realistic results if you do so. Now I will once again blend it by using a tissue paper. So in the picture you can see the tone is lighter because of my lightning. So that's it for the shading part, guys, and this is a simple trick which you can use where you have to use a lighter tone pencil first and hold it lightly to form the base, and then use a darker tone pencil to form the darker areas and continue forming the base. And that's it. If you like the process, please subscribe it and like it, and thank you for joining this.